Okay, for my final project here, I decided to make a 3D Pong game. This is the final website that you'll get to see later on as I demo it, but first let's take a look at the code and see what happens in the background. This is just the HTML file, standard, make whatever happens happens in the computer. So 3.min.js is actually the mainframe that I'm using. You'll see all the variables here. Let's just get rid of those for a minute. Looking down here, the color, the objects was actually different than normal. That's how you do it with 3JS. It's kind of annoying, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Probably the biggest thing that I was able to do here was the collision detection. That was the hardest part, but once I figured it out, it wasn't that bad. Just if a ball hits the paddle, turn it around. It's all about positioning, nothing about whatever it's called. But okay, so as you'll see when you load it up here, nothing happens until you hit increase difficulty. Then it starts the game up for you. And the more times you tap increase difficulty, it just makes the ball and the paddle move faster. Okay, for lighting, you can actually see there's a spotlight from the left shining onto the table right at the middle. You will see the ball as it goes up. It's a yellow ball, but as it gets away from the light, it becomes yellow or orange, and as it gets more into light, it becomes more yellow. You can also see on the paddle that you're controlling. On the left, it's very green. On the right side, it's black. Shocker there, but yeah, so I haven't figured out how to decrease difficulty yet, so you have to refresh the page in order to do that. And you'll see your score, counts it up top. Then whenever you miss, if your score is higher than your high score, it becomes a high score. A is to move left, D is to move right, so those are the keyboard inputs in order to manipulate the screen. And you can see the table is actually a rectangular plane, just because in 3D it looks like the way it does. And the green line there is a center line, which helps for whatever it's called. Well, this is my project. Hope you enjoy it, and have a good break.